Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Leo, this is for the weekend of the 30th of October, just a small little mini check-in to see how your energies are doing. And these are general collective readings. Leo will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So Leo, as usual, let's start with a blessing card to top the reading from my angels. My angels, a blessing or an advice for my Leo gang. Blessing or an advice card for Leo. Blessing. Oh, right. Two of them. Okay. So, Leo, you get the cards of vision. Keep your vision focused on the future and believe in all your dreams. Don't give up. If you're feeling down and out at the moment, or if you have been, know that your future is going to be bright and you have to have full faith in all your dreams. Let's see why these two cards are here, Leo. Open your cards and see why these two cards are here. So Leo, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Omkara. I'm very grateful for all your love. Also, if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel. This is just a little mini read. Of course, the longer love reads are on their way starting 1st of November. So look forward to those. But this is just a little energy check-in for you. If you enjoy it, do join us. And in case any of you are looking for a, sorry, wrong spread, Leo. sorry. Okay, if you guys are looking for a private reading, my November schedule is open, so you can reach me there as well. Email is in the description box below. So Leo, let's see what's happening with your energy this weekend. First card I have for you here, Leo, is the Lovers in reverse. A firm decision has now been made. Some delays are still going on, but I think this is a ending to an old relationship, which is in progress. I think somebody has totally dropped the ball now in a household situation or a long-term relationship, because it was a very unjust kind of a situation, right? This is just the background story to the next three cards which I'll be opening for your weekend. Let's just see what's been happening here and how we're going to reach here. So the Lovers in reverse, Spirit. So what is this decision or choice being made here? The Lovers in reverse. Yeah, I think there's been separation between the two of you. I think both of you have been till now keeping a watch on each other, or expecting or sending messages, or trying to get some clarification, both wanting to come out of a stuck situation now. This has been going on for a long time. When I there it's a prolonged situation where I think you both have felt very stuck in till now. I think both of you have been waiting and watching as to what the other person is going to be doing. But I see you, Leo, this weekend. You're clear. Yeah, you're bringing a total halt to the situation. Complete finito. Over and out. So what's the delay now, Spirit? Nine of Pentacles. What's this delay now? What's this delay happening now? Oops. What's the delay in this coming out of the stuck place now? Still a lot of stress and tension. Stress and tension, and a lot of planning going on as to how to go about it, maybe how it's going to go. What is now the future plan? How am I going to manage this? Lot of planning and plotting and crossroads. Yeah, this is a crossroads situation where, you've reached that place where either you go left or you go right. And I think now this weekend you've kind of made that decision, but there's still a bit of delay. The tower is falling, okay? It hasn't fallen yet, but you are realizing that this was a situation maybe built not on very firm foundation. It was not stable, and it had to go one way or the other, and it is falling now. And you're kind of coming into acceptance of the fact that there is maybe no more love left in the situation. So, Two of Cups spirit. What's this Two of Cups? Yeah, you both are being a bit defensive towards each other. You both holding back. Leo, this is your card. You are strong, right? You can tame a lion or a lioness. So you are keeping your strength up and you're trying to defend yourself against anything. You are, but still going, back and forth in your mind as to the procedure, maybe as to how things are going to proceed from now on. Maybe for your own future, you have a vision now for your future, but you're still kind of in two minds as to how you're going to get there. A lot of plans are getting made, I think, this weekend, Leo, after this partnership is kind of falling through. If you have been juggling for a long time, like I see here, if you have been juggling for a long time, I think this weekend you're going to be now dropping the ball altogether. A firm decision is going to be made regarding this home or situation or a family situation or a partnership. Once what seemed to be a soulmate connection here, Leo, with the Two of Cups and the Four of Wands, is now not working out. I have the Empress in reverse as well, right? So things are not there's no fertility left in this relationship anymore, and there's no more confusion either. I think you're making up your mind once and for all as to ending a situation. So, Two of Pentacles, Spirit. Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Yes, you're kind of I think taking stock of why this happened. You're going back and forth in your mind as to why such a beautiful relationship came to an end, Leo. Maybe there was a lot of fighting in this relationship. People were saying harsh, mean words to each other. Maybe there were secrets being kept. There was no clarity, and that's what you're going through in this weekend, Leo, trying to figure things out as to what happened, why it must come to an end. Yes, see, this person taking stock of their life now. This is a weekend to just be in contemplation and see what is the investment that was put by who and what it's led to. What happened to my harvest here? I mean, who did what I did, you did, who did? Like you're going through, you basically, kind of doing a check on this relationship as to what really happened here and why it's kind of falling apart. Four of Wands, Spirit. Why is the Four of Wands here? Four of Wands here. Four of Wands here. Maybe somebody was a bit egoistic and prideful in this relationship also, Leo. And that's why there was no happiness to be had, and you feel that things were very unjust in this very committed relationship. It really didn't work out, even though you wanted to be happy, but you wanted to be happy, you wanted to have victory, you wanted this commitment to stay on and on, but as time went by, you started feeling that there is no happiness to be had and things are falling apart. And now you're totally clear about what happened and why things were unbalanced in this relationship. I think, Leo, this weekend you're just taking stock of a relationship which is now on its last leg, I think. Justice card, Spirit. Why is the Justice card here for Leo? Yeah, Empress in reverse again, and the Knight of Wands. Yes, this could be a relationship where there was no growth left anymore. Maybe you or your person was in and out of your life. They were never stable, and they never offered you that stability to have long-term happiness with, right? That didn't make you feel very good. And it just stayed a unbalanced kind of a relationship. I mean, can you imagine having a knight with an empress? It is totally not, the scale is not even here. So all that is being taken into account, and clarity is coming to you as to why this has fallen short, this relationship. Like, what was the imbalance? And the imbalance is very clear to me here. Empress and a Knight of Wands, it's like chalk and cheese, right? There's somebody who's a player maybe or not consistent, and here's the Empress not feeling like, that stability is available to her. So this could be vice versa. You could be the masculine here who's feeling this way, or you could be the feminine. I don't know, but whoever's seeing this reading, and if you're a Leo, you're realizing that this was a very imbalanced kind of a relationship and taking stock of that. Let's see what's happening on the weekend. Yeah, somebody is walking away, trying to heal themselves and bring back balance. There is no communication with this other person this weekend. You're not receiving or sending any messages. You are just spending time by yourself, trying to heal yourself. Very important, Leo. This is the most important time of your life. If you've been through something like this, and if somebody or you have walked away from a stable relationship, it's important to give yourself this time, and there is no communication between the two of you from what I see from the cards on this weekend. So let's see, Eight of Cups, Spirit. Eight of Cups. Yes, it's been very burdening. It's been very burdening, this relationship, and I don't think you could work together with this person anymore. You came to like your back got bent, I think, trying to work with this relationship, right? You tried and you tried and you tried about 10, like he's carrying 10 wands. I mean, you can't carry more than this. So when the burden became very heavy on working with this relationship, I think one or both of you are now walking away from this partnership altogether, trying to now find balance in your own life. Temperance, Spirit. Temperance. Yeah, you're realizing that maybe you were stuck in a karmic relationship. This was a very toxic kind of a relationship. Maybe it taught you many lessons and made you very upset and angry at the way things went in this relationship. But yes, you were pretty blindfolded, and maybe you spent many months or years not being able to see the truth, but and being stuck in this very toxic kind of a situation, right? But now I think this weekend you are trying to find balance back in your life after being upset and angry at how things have turned out. Page of Wands, Spirit. I think you're now kind of moving ahead in your own life, or at least planning to have a rebirth of a situation. You're surrendering to the universe here and saying, hey, I've been stuck for so long in my life. Everything has been stuck in my life for so long, and maybe just kind of healing yourself now so you can move forward once again and have like a rebirth, have a new life for the future. You are now planning, or you have a vision for your future, right? So if you want this, Leo, my suggestion would be, yes, heal yourself, take some time out and believe that this is over now and you can have a brand new start. The one that you want, where you can move ahead happily and have a lovely future, have a good vision for the future. Okay? So what's done is done, Leo. Heal. You will be you will have this Four of Wands once again. Things will become stable once again. Once all this fighting and upset leaves your life, and you will be granted new love as well. Okay? So that's all I have for you this weekend. I see you healing and resting. Love and light. Take care. Namaste, Leo. I'll see you soon for your in-depth love reading starting the 1st. Namaste.